In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open new tab on Google Chrome. Opening a new tab is one of those small actions that makes browsing faster and more organized. Think of tabs like pages in a notebook. Each one lets you keep something separate without losing your place. This walkthrough is for the desktop version of Google Chrome on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chromebooks, and it focuses on the simplest, most reliable ways to open a fresh tab. First, look at the very top of your Chrome window. You'll see the tab bar where each open page appears as a labeled tab. Right next to your current tab, usually toward the far right of the row, you'll find a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon. The moment you click it, Chrome instantly creates a new tab. If you keep several tabs open, the new one will appear directly to the right of the one you were just using, so your workflow stays in order. When the new tab opens, you'll land on your new tab page. For many people, this shows a search box front and center, along with shortcut tiles for your most visited sites. If you've customized your startup or home settings, you may see a specific page instead. Either way, the address bar at the top, also called the Omnibox, will usually be active right away, so you can start typing a website address or a search term without clicking anything else. It's a small time saver that adds up. There's also a quick keyboard method that many people prefer. Press Ctrl+T if you're on Windows, Linux, or a Chromebook. If you're on a Mac, use Command+T. This shortcut does exactly the same thing as clicking the plus icon, and it's great when you want to keep your hands on the keyboard. You can press it repeatedly to open multiple tabs in a row, and each new tab will appear to the right of your current one. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure the Chrome window is selected and active first. That's it. 2 simple ways to open a new tab whenever you need more space. Click the plus icon on the tab bar, or use the keyboard shortcut to do it even faster. Once your new tab is open, just type what you're looking for, hit enter, and you're on your way. With these basics in place, you'll find it easier to keep research, shopping, and streaming neatly separated while you browse.